Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix system image backup files with error code 0x800700c5 and 0x80070020. So guys, to resolve and to fix this problem, firstly click on start, type cmd, open command prompt. So right click on it and run as administrator. Now just type the simple scan code SFC space slash scan now. So type this code SFC space slash scan now, then press enter. Now guys, this process will take some time. So complete this process 1 to 100 points. And once this process will be complete, you need to restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart, this issue and problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. By the simple and easy steps, we can know how to fix system image backup files with error codes 0x800700c5 and 0x80070020. Please comment this video useful for you or not.